Uh, and this video was recorded on the eve of Ras Yatra in Toronto, 2016. It was we visited from Guelph. We drove all the way from Guelph, which is around an hour and a half drive. So the Ras Yatra actually starts from the downtown Toronto, which is on Yonge Street. So from Yonge Street, it goes all the way to the Queen Quay. So Queen Quay, we were there on the Queen Quay around 12:30, but I think the Ras Yatra stopped before time. But that was not a big deal because we could see the people chanting on the street. They were chanting Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. And this Ras Yatra is organized by the ISKCON Foundation, which is a worldwide foundation. And we had a great glimpse of all the chariots. I think there were 3 chariots. They were parked on the Queen Quay, between the not actually on the Queen Quay, on the intersection of Queen Quay and Yonge Street at the end of the Yonge Street. And we were very happy to see that because it gave us a great glimpse of the Indian festival, which is Rath Yatra. Though I belong to North India, but I saw it for the first time. Then we had some pictures of the downtown, because if you want to take pictures of the downtown Toronto, this is, I think, the best place where you can see CN Tower at the back, and all the buildings are sparkling, and you can see all the glass buildings, high-rise buildings, skyscrapers are there. And luckily the sun was very good. It was a very bright day on that day. It was, I think, Saturday. We went on Saturday. So from there we went in a ferry to the Central Island. Central Island is a very important, very good place to visit. Everybody should visit, and especially on the occasion of the Ras Yatra, because the ISKCON Foundation has a big festival of India there. So when you get down from the ferry, you see a big banner showing Festival of India, cheered by us. We love, though we are Canadian, but we love India because our heritage is from India. So we can see the free food there, and this time really the food was really good, and we saw that the arrangement was very good. It was very neat and clean, and we could see that everything is fine. The lectures were there, the bazaar was there, India Bazaar. You can buy items there, and you can talk to the religious people if you want to have spiritual and all those things. And after that, I think we stayed there for about 3-4 hours, and in the evening we went to the Air India 182 flight victims memorial, which is situated on the banks of a park. It's also an island, but this park is known as Humber Bay Park. But be careful, Humber Bay Park is it is west and east. So you all should be in the east end, because we wasted a lot of time in locating the festival, in locating the memorial, because the other day we went to the park to locate that memorial, and we went to the west side. So in case you want to visit that memorial, you can you should be careful that go to the east end, which is at the intersection of Lakeshore and Park Lawn. So take an exit from Park Lawn, Lakeshore to Park Lawn, and you will be there inside the park, and it's very near to the parking area, parking lot. So I took the picture of the sundial, although my wife was not there, but I took my own selfie, and you can see the sundial and the brick seat where it says bombing of Air India. So it was a very nice nice opportunity to watch this video. Bye bye.